The social impact of the Industrial Revolution. Population growth. Population in Europe dramatically increased during the Industrial Revolution. The key to this expansion was not the increase in birth rate, but primarily of the decline of death rates. Two major causes explain this decline. One of the causes is that there was a drop in the number of deaths from famines, epidemics, and war. The other cause is that there was a general increase of food supply, which meant more food can be fed to the people, which in turn would become more resistant to disease and therefore not die. Although industrialization did not actually cause the population growth, it did affect the composition of the population. The percentage of the population involved in manufacturing, mining, and building increased greatly, around 50%. This increase of the population meant more poverty. Take Ireland, for example. Ireland was one of the most oppressed areas in West Europe at the time. Due to extreme poverty, Irish peasants resorted into living in mud hovels and relied on potatoes, since it was nutritional and easy to grow. Potatoes also allowed the Irish population to expand in numbers. Since 1 or 2 acres was sufficient enough to feed a family, Irish men and women started marrying earlier and had children earlier as well, which significantly expanded the Irish population. Half of this population relied on potatoes, which sucked because in the summer of 1845, potato crop in Ireland was infected by fungus that made it black and inedible. This caused a famine, called the Great Famine. It killed over 1 million people due to starvation and disease, and almost immigrated 2 million people to the U.S. and Great Britain. Video made by Janine Mercado and Group Steamboat Willie. Please read this page for more information on the social impact of the Industrial Revolution.